Namaste children. In our last class, we have studied about taskbar, start menu, opening an application or program, notification area, selecting and deselecting icons and opening the icon. Today, we will discuss about parts of a window. So, dear children, this is the image of a parts of a window. It includes title bar, ribbon, status bar, work area, scroll arrow and scroll bar. Let us discuss each one by one. Now, what is a title bar? The title bar of a program window shows the title of the currently opened program and the name of the program. This is the image of a title bar. Now let us understand what do we mean by right end of a title bar. On the right end of the title bar, there are buttons to minimize the windows to the taskbar, maximize the window to cover the whole desktop and to close the window. Now I am going to show you the picture. Now this is the image. First symbol is to minimize the window, second to maximize and third to close. Now let us understand what is a ribbon. In Windows 7, every opened window has a thick strip called ribbon. The ribbon is divided into different tabs. Each tab is further divided into groups. Each group consists of various features useful for the program that is open. Now, this is the image of a ribbon. As I have already told that it is a thick strip and it is divided into different tabs, and each tab is further divided into groups which consist of various features useful for the program that is open. Next, we will understand what is a scroll bars. Windows that are too small to show the whole document will have scroll bars for the width or the height of the document or both. We can drag the window up, down, right or left to see the hidden area of the document with the help of scroll box or scroll arrows. This is the image of a scroll bar. It can drag up, down, right and left to see the hidden area of the document. Next we will see what is work area. The portion of the window in which we do the actual work is called the work area. Looking at this picture, it will be clear to you what is work area. That means in this portion we can do the actual work. Now let us understand what is a status bar. The bottom of a window contains the status bar. It displays messages about the status of the program. Now we will see what is resizing a window. Number 1. Restore. Click on the middle icon. It will reduce the size of the window. Again, click on the restore button. The window will come to its normal size. Number 2. Minimize. It is the left side of the restore button. When we click on this, window will shrink to the taskbar. And lastly, close button. Clicking on this, the current window will be closed. Now this is the image. I have already shown you the picture. So middle icon is for restore, left is for minimize and right is to close. And lastly, we will see how to turn off or shut down the computer. These are the icons we generally see when we try to switch off the computer. Now we will see what is shutdown. Shutdown means turning off the computer. When we click on this option, 3 more options along with a small menu appears. Select turn off to shut down your computer. So from here you have to click on turn off to shut down your computer. Here we end our today's class. Thank you.